In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Gmail on an iPad Pro. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open the App Store. Go ahead and locate the App Store icon on your iPad Pro's home screen. It's usually the blue icon with a white letter A made of popsicle sticks. Once you've found it, just tap it to open the store. Now that you're in the App Store, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see several options. Tap the one that says Search. This will bring up a search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type in Gmail. Go ahead and do that now. With Gmail being one of the most popular email services, it should pop up fairly quickly in the search results. As you scroll through the search results, look for the official Gmail app. It's easy to recognize because it features a colorful M icon which has red, yellow, green, and blue colors. This is the official app developed by Google, so make sure you select that one to ensure you're downloading the correct application. Once you've located the app, you're ready to download it. Look for a button that says Get, or if you've downloaded it before, you might see a cloud icon instead. If that's the case, just tap that cloud icon to start the installation process. If it's your first time downloading, tapping Get will initiate the download, and you might be asked to confirm your download by entering your Apple ID password or using your Face ID or Touch ID, depending on how your iPad is set up. After tapping the button, the app will begin to download. You can monitor the progress right on the screen. Once the download is complete, you'll see the option to tap Open. Go ahead and select that, and if for some reason you missed it, don't worry. The Gmail app will also appear on your home screen, so you can just find the Gmail icon and tap on it from there. Now let's move on to signing in. When you open the Gmail app for the first time, it will prompt you to sign in. Simply enter your Google email address. After you've entered your email, tap Next. Then it will ask you for your password. Type that in as well. And once you've done that, hit Next again. If you've entered both your email and password correctly, you'll gain access to your inbox, and you're all set. Now you can start sending and receiving emails right from your iPad Pro. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and set up Gmail on your iPad Pro. Having this app allows you to stay connected and manage your emails efficiently, no matter where you are. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to see more guides like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.